We're gonna get drunk somewhere, okay? Drunk in love, of course. My first day in Dubai. From sky views to chicken bites and finally one of the best cheesecakes. Yo guys, we arrived in Dubai and now we are heading to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. I've seen it last year as well, but I didn't go on the top. But this time we're going to the top of the Burj Khalifa. Yeah guys, stay tuned. We didn't have time to make a room tour. We have already checked in our hotel, which is called Taj Jumeirah Lakes Towers. It's a nice 5-star hotel in Jumeirah, as the name says, Taj Jumeirah Lakes Towers. I'm gonna show you the room afterwards. So yeah guys. Hi sir, you wanna visit the Burj Khalifa? I wanna go on the top.
You have to go from inside Dubai Mall. The entrance is from there, not from here. This is residence only.
But can we not park here?
No.
So where do we have
to park only in Dubai Mall.
We have to park in the Dubai Mall?
Yeah, just make a U-turn here, sharp left.
Oh, okay.
First class.
Thank you, yeah. Ladies first. Okay guys, you basically enter the Burj Khalifa through the Dubai Mall. We are now on the lift, which will take us to the top of the Burj Khalifa. I'm so excited. Are you excited guys? Hey, why not? Guys, we made it to the top. Started from the bottom, now we're here. We are going to the next level of the Burj Khalifa. Guys, look at this. That looks absolutely frightening, isn't it? Okay guys, we just left the Burj Khalifa. So you have to expect a 40 minutes, 50 minutes queue to actually get to the lift, which takes you to the top of the Burj Khalifa. I think the price was around 60 AED per head. But last year we've been to the so-called Skywalk. And to be honest, me personally, I preferred the Skywalk. It was basically more or less the same view. Maybe not that high, but you could still see everything. But the difference was that when you're on a sky view, on a Skywalk, you like walk on glass, you know. So if you're on a budget here in Dubai, because everything is very expensive, and if you don't know, to either go to the Skywalk or to the Burj Khalifa, which is like not next to each other but not far away from each other, then I would definitely recommend to rather go on the Skywalk, because it's more like exciting, more frightening, more adrenaline. And yeah. Hi sir. One question sir, how much for €1?
€1 is 3.68 sir.
368? Let me calculate this very quick. Like, what is the best rate that you can offer? 7.2? Okay, let's do this then. I have lots of small notes from selling weed in Berlin. I'm joking.
Can I have your passport?
Yes, sure. Thank you, sir.
1,000.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Sir, Sean, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You're 27 days younger than me.
27 days younger than you?
Yeah.
Really, yeah? So you're like my big brother, right?
Yeah.
Next time we're gonna celebrate our birthdays together, okay? We're gonna get drunk somewhere, okay? No, I'm joking. I don't drink, I'm just joking. Okay, take care, yeah? Bye. Okay guys, we are a bit hungry now, and now we want to go to Raising Cane's. I've heard that Raising Cane's is here somewhere in the Dubai Mall as well, but I'm not sure, so let's find out. And yeah, what is this? There's some kind of show. Let's watch this, come. What are they doing there? What is this? I think this is Nusret from Temu. Oh wow, that was a bit erotic, innit? Okay, the issue is that apparently Raising Cane's closed like 3 years ago. It's still on Google, so...
I mean, they have it in Dubai, but not in the Dubai Mall.
Yeah, not in the Dubai Mall. Now we have to find something else. But we are not sure where we want to go and eat because
The problem is we cannot make decisions.
Yeah, that's a big issue. Really, that's a very big issue.
I think I'm for Pizza Hut.
Okay, you're for Pizza Hut?
Yes.
We are now here at Pizza Hut, so let's go inside. Hi, how are you? Hi. Let's find a table first. Come with me. We can sit outside as well. What do you prefer? Windy City, innit? Okay, guys.
20 minutes later.
We are leaving now Pizza Hut, and we are now going to Raising Cane's, which is like 25 minutes away approximately by car. The issue was that they didn't have the pizzas that we wanted to order, and then we were like, okay, hey, let's come another day and actually order the pizzas that we want to eat instead of just like taking something else, you know. So now we will go to Raising Cane's. Okay, guys, we are not every day in Dubai, so that's why we thought, hey, let's get a super nice car. So come. That is the car. It's basically a Ferrari, but an old version. Let's do some car porn. Okay guys, you can see Raising Cane's in the background. That was the most favorite spot of the cameraman. She always said, I want to go to Raising Cane's, I want to go to Raising Cane's. Actually, I didn't even know about it. So, yes, let's go inside, guys. Hi, how are you? I think one box combo, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna go for the box combo.
For the drink, sir, we have fresh lemonade, sweet tea, and cola products, sir.
What do you want to drink? Lemonade? Okay, how much is it?
It's 45 dirham now.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, yeah? Thanks. Okay, guys. This is the, I think it was called box combo, their favorite. Let's start with the fries. The fries are tasty, but nothing outstanding. But I heard that the secret sauce here is outstanding. So let's see if that's the case. In combination with this chicken, these chicken tenders. They look very, very tasty. Let's try it now.
It's warm, right?
Yeah, it's hot. Very soft, very, very soft.
What about the sauce? Is it good?
The sauce is very good.
I heard the bread is very good. Very soft.
The sauce is not spicy. I cannot describe it, but it's definitely a very delicious sauce. But it's nothing like, oh my goodness, I've never seen something like this before. That's not the case. Like, it's very good, it's very delicious, but it's not like, oh my goodness, you know? It's not blowing my mind
But
away.
it's better than the usual fast food restaurant like McDonald's or
Yeah,
KFC
definitely.
or-
Yeah, definitely, 100%.
How is the lemonade?
The lemonade's good as well, but it's just like a regular lemonade. It's nothing outstanding either, so
Okay, let's eat the food and then we will give
final review, yeah.
Thank you.
you. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, guys. We just finished our food at Raising Cane's. And now here's my final rating. I would give an overall rating of 7 out of 10 because it was tasty, but as I told you before in the video, it's nothing outstanding. The chicken stripes are very tender, very soft, and their secret sauce is good as well, but it's nothing like outstanding or something. And that's why I'm giving a 7 out of 10. A solid 7. And yeah, in a few days we're gonna try Dave's chicken as well. Let's find out which one is better. Bye bye to Raising Cane's, and we are going to Cheesecake Factory now. The Cheesecake Factory. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, we are now at the Cheesecake Factory. Let's go inside. Hi, how are you?
Please have a seat.
Okay,
Once you're ready, the someone will take your order.
thank you, thank you.
A minute, then
Take your time, sir, take your time.
this is just the cheesecakes, yes?
Yes, we only want to have 2 cheesecakes. The first one is the original cheesecake,
Original cheesecake,
and the second one, I think it was called tuxedo cheesecake?
tuxedo cheesecake,
Chocolate?
chocolate tuxedo cream cheesecake.
Yeah, chocolate tuxedo cream cheesecake, yes.
Okay. So 1 original cheesecake and 1 chocolate tuxedo cream cheesecake.
Yes,
I'll
that's
get
it.
that
Thank
for
you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh, and another thing?
Yes.
We don't want to have the whipped cream.
No whipped cream?
No whipped
For both
cream,
of the
yeah.
chocolate
Yeah, for both of
cheesecakes?
yeah, yeah.
Alright, gotcha.
Thank you.
Cheers.
We don't like no whipped cream in it because it's too much calories, which is a bit funny because we only eat chocolate and I don't know, burgers and fast food, and yeah, but still, you get my point in it. Okay, guys, we have ordered 2 cheesecakes. One, I think, chocolate tuxedo, and 1 original cheesecake. I know already the original cheesecake. I've tried it many times and it's absolutely delicious. Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow. The original one is definitely a 10 out of 10. It doesn't look like something special. It looks very basic.
Simple, yeah.
Yeah, but it's very, very good. Very good. And this one is new to me, so let's try this one. I haven't tried it yet. Very good.
Tasty?
Very good as well, yes. Wow, I like it. But the thing is, although I'm a chocolate lover, you're gonna find out as well, I really love chocolate. It's like, you know, always my most favorite thing. But even though I'm such a big chocolate lover, I still prefer the original one because it's just so good. You have to try definitely. Whenever you're in somewhere where Cheesecake Factory is, come and try the original one. You ain't gonna be disappointed 100%. Okay, guys, we finished now our 2 cheesecakes. It was very delicious. Each cheesecake was approximately 10 euros, and my rating is, I would give a 9 out of 10 because the cheesecakes are very tasty. It's a bit pricey, but yeah, I think all these things are a bit pricey, and we are on vacation anyway, so yeah. The location is very nice. In general, all the cheesecake factories look approximately the same. Very nice interior and very nice service, very kind people. You can definitely try it out. So guys, take care, see you. Okay guys, let's do a quick room tour. This is our second hotel. This is how it looks. This is the view, guys. Okay guys, here look at this. Wow. Shower as well. I'm a bit tired, as you can hear. It's nearly 2 a.m. in the morning. Still didn't sleep, first day Dubai. Okay, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I forgot to do an outro. That's why you see me again sitting in my children's room doing an outro. I hope that you enjoyed it. Many more exciting videos are awaiting you, my friendos. So yeah, guys, I think you have to get used to my children's room since I forgot to do many outros, my friendos. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Hope that you enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button, guys, and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.